Sorry, I need to set up some stuff, and I'm trying to increase the font right now, but I have never increased the font on Eclipse before. Or I have, I just forgot how to do it. Let's see. Just do it. Yep, there we go. I'm using Eclipse because that's what I started. That's what I started with. I started coding with Java, and when I started using Python, I was just like, Eclipse can use Python. Test, test. All right. I think you guys can hear me, right? Oops. Let's see. Maybe 510. Sorry, I need to set up some stuff because I would prefer not to publicize my LinkedIn password. And also I want to notify my other channels that I'm doing this. Oops. Oh man, I can't even. Okay, here we go. Yo, dude, your algorithm doesn't get all our good clips in the Melee vids. How can I make sure to have it work when I clip it? Email me. Email what clips that you think should have gotten, and I will take a look. Oops. base 64. Base 64, B64. Oops. Okay, well, all right. Yeah, I think, yeah, I've actually used something or used like an extension for this before. Um, and there was a cap at like 100, and if you went over like 50 or something, it would start triggering stuff, and so you can't uh, you can't add a bunch of people, and you can't message a bunch of people. So yeah, good looking out. I'm I'm 30, so I am neither a student or grad. All right. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. All right. I guess I want to start. So the first thing I do when I start coding anything is, or it's good practice too, I think, is to actually list out the steps that I want to take. So basically I want to do, well, I'm just going to put it out in this comment right here. Yeah, I'm Asian, so basically subtract 5-10 years from my age. Okay, let's see. So I got to log in, and then I got to look for recruiters, and then like second or third connection, I guess. I actually already made something like this, but I kind of I was piggybacking off of a extension, and so I just want to do it myself, I guess. Yeah, all right. And then click send, I guess. Connect with them. All right. So, whoops. All right. I'm going to make some functions to kind of break out my code a little bit, so it's a little bit more organized. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna be sloppy, I guess, a little. Alright, I need to log out here so I can see how to get this. Alright, sign in. Ooh, it's not signing in. There you go. Does this work? Alright, cool. So I'm gonna do driver.get, and what this will do is it'll make my browser go to that place, and then I'm going to type in these things. So I'm programming in Python. Driver.send keys. Oops, not send keys. Find on XPath. Alright, and I need to look for how to identify what these things are. So, I mean, this stuff I kind of go over in the course that I go, but this is, I guess this is like lesson 1, but it's using code instead of the plugin. So here we go. Input ID equals username. So this is how you're going to identify it. Input. And then I'm going to look for the I want to look for the password element. Where are you? Here you go. And input ID equals password. So it's exactly the same thing. And then the send keys. And then my super secret password here. And then sign in. Here we go. Button ARIA label equals sign in. Okay, and let's see if it works. Whoa, this is not the right password. Hold on. Let me make sure that I have the right password. Oh, it's because I have to unhash it. No wonder. Give me a sec. Base 64 decode, right? Oops. Shh, you don't see this. All right, cool. I see it now. All right, so I have to actually decode this because I'm trying to be secure. 64 decode. Decode. There you go. And then import base64. There you go. And now I'm logged in. Cool. I'm going to do a little pause here. So I can move, because this is not my main monitor, and I want to move the browser always spawns on my main monitor, so I want to move it before it starts. Alright, cool. Alright, and then now I'm going to look for people that I want to spam. So I'll log in and technical recruiter. Oops. Great. Ah! Yes, that's what I meant. And then I want people. And then what else? Connections, second and third. And then, did I do that? Yep. And then I want San Francisco? What? Nope. There you go, San Francisco Bay Area. How about Mountain View? Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, San Francisco Bay Area. Yeah, it's Python. Okay, and now, so I'm just going to copy and paste this. And then I'm gonna search for people. And then I'm gonna go look for all these connects. ARIA label. Type button. Alright. Button. Alright. I think that's good. So we log in, and then we should get to the page. Yep, cool. All right, I want to make sure I have this connect buttons. Oops, not F. All right, we have 5. What? That's it? Are you serious? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh. Why is there only... There you go. Okay. Maybe I need to scroll down. And I have forgotten how to scroll down, so let me Google that. Here, I guess I'll... This isn't that embarrassing. So, Alright, cool. Let's try this. Alright. Get off my face. Still 5? What the heck? What? I guess I'm gonna sleep a little bit. Alright. Alright, I think I'll send like, I don't know, 5 each, or 20 each day. I'll just do 30 each day. And someone told me that it's a cap, so I will commit to that. Okay. Oops. What the? Yep, there you go. CV equals connect buttons 0. And I'm going to click. Yo. Uninteractable. Intercepted. Alright, well, I have ran into this many times before. Basically, Great Hall is my, I have a bunch of utility functions in this, so I just have like, well, there's a lot of garbage in here, but yeah, how I like start my proxies and stuff. And this specifically is clicking on something. So I could either throw in a string or an element, and then it will execute a script to click it. So let's try that. Oops, I need to find that. And then, where are you? Yep, and then I will click done. Show me. Ah, okay, there you go. Span class. Okay. My mic's getting up a little. Sorry, I'm not. I'm a scuffed streamer, so I'm not exactly sure how to do that. Yeah. Sorry, bud. I can Google it, because that's all. That's pretty much what I do for all my code, anyways. What's the purpose? 'Cause I promised my girlfriend I would start applying to jobs if I didn't hit a certain income goal with my projects, and I have not hit that income goal. So I'm going to apply to jobs by automating it. Control panel, sound, then go to recording. Alright, control panel, sound. Change, adjust, manage audio devices? No, recording, here we go. And let's see, properties, levels, test, here, let me bring up my OBS. Test. How's this? Is this better? Well, let me know. Alright, it was span, I think. Text equals done. Does that work? Oops, find element by XPath. Oops. There you go. Yep. That's what we want. Oh, it's just... Okay. Where was it? I'll put it at 70 for now. Maybe I'll play some music, because who the fuck watches coding, right? Even I don't watch coding. I waste my time doing other things. Alright. Okay, I think that should be it. Alright, cool. So, and then I want to go to the next page. So, 4 in range 3, I guess. So that'll just do 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm curious. What do you guys watch coding for? I think it's interesting. Like, or it's interesting why people do certain things. It's interesting. X-Gen, my main is Ice Climbers, and I actually just got a new computer, and I'm having difficulty putting my getting my Slippy set up. So I've already gotten like bodied by like a bunch of my quote-unquote students from who like went through my course, and then they played me and I got bodied by Falco. Okay, we want to do second actions page, and then we probably want to do a try except here. Right, good. Alright, set count. Man, so, alright, I see a bunch of memes on Indian coders talking about, like in programmer humor, right? r/programmer humor, that's one of the pillars of people getting through university. Personally, I am a chicken, so I actually only took 2 computer science classes and then I switched majors. So I have never watched an Indian tutorial video. Sciarts, that's a good point. Oh yeah, let me see if I can do something with like a display capture. I can do something like window capture. Can I do like a section capture of a display? Okay. How do I stop this shit? Or maybe I shouldn't be playing with OBS while I'm trying to stream. Okay, I'll do that later. Okay. Oh, Sciarts. So you code in a different way, but like, all right, how about this? What's the last thing that you've applied from watching someone to your own code? And like, I feel like coding, or I guess that's just the way that I learn, but most of the time when I'm trying to learn something, I prefer to read it. Yeah, so, okay, that makes sense. Not to say that I haven't learned from a YouTube video, but just in terms of looking up something, how to do something and related to code is, ooh, OpenGL. Okay, so the only how should I say this, exposure that I've had to OpenGL is, I know there was like this FFmpeg transitions, and yeah, here you go. And basically, it had a lot of nice like transitions, but I couldn't get it to I couldn't apply it to my code properly. So you're stuck with the scuffed transitions that I have. Alright. I need to probably... Okay, so back to the coding. This, I need to click on next. Probably can just do something with the page, right? And then if I go to next, here, let me take a look. And then, where am I? Where's my... Ah! Is this page 2? Alright, here you go. This is page 2. Alright. Holy moly. Yep, it says it again, page 2. So... nice. Oops, that's not one. Fine. Whoops, sorry. I was going to go to the second. Okay. Current URL equals this. And then current page is 1. I probably could do this, right? Yeah. And then range of 5. Oh, 4. There you go. And then I'll do driver.get current URL. And then, oop, I want to do base URL, and then current URL will be base URL, and then if I is greater than, if I is greater than 1, then we want to add the page. So we don't do the page for this one, we do the page for our next ones. Equals page equals. Okay. Cool. Let's see, send count. Wow, I'm coding all over the place today. I probably wouldn't stop because I am not. I don't think I'm coding well. And then send it. Send limits and send. It's greater or equal to send limit, then we want to break out. And then so what this will do is we'll send the people connections to people on the page, and then return how many we did, and then we need to add it to this. Page. And then max send. Let's do like 3. I don't need that anymore because we're going for directly to the page. Alright, and then let's do send limit equals 2 per page. So we should go to the 3rd page and send 2 for the first 2 pages and 1 on the last page. Let's see, if max send, oop, I also need to do this, if total sends greater than max send, right, cool. I'm probably going to print this too. What? Oh, it's because. Whoa, hold the fuck on, what the fuck happened? Wow! Where am I? Ah! Stop! Okay. What? It's because I didn't, put the and. There you go. Let's see. Page 2. Yep. Okay, cool. I need to put the and. Hello, playing with Maui. Nice name. Ah! Why? Alright, I'm gonna pause it while it's doing this. And it's clicking on unable to locate elements. Okay. There we go. Alright. How do I click on it? See. What the heck? Why is it? Why do you like that? Okay. Show me what you say. Aria label. Okay. Equals. Yeah. Show you. Yep. Okay. So, which one am I on right now? Let's see. Okay. Angela loaded. Okay. Who did I send to now? Elena Chaza blah blah blah. Okay. Alright. I've made it. It works. Well, this took a lot less time, or I guess in some ways it took more time, but in other ways, in other aspects, it took a lot less time. Okay. Okay. Well, what to do next? So I could actually probably show you what I'm working on for Gloomshot. I'm doing zooms, which I think would be pretty cool. Cause, all right, so this is what, yeah. So what I wanted to do is, like, you know how some streamers, cough cough none, will zoom onto their face, and people do that for editing. So I am currently this is not the right page. Twitch segments. Alright. Oh, I'm currently making it so it cuts. It does that same cut. Let me get an example. So basically, here is an example that person wanted.
Come on, dude.
So
Played your bro. No.
he's going to do so. It's going to do something.
Like, come on, bro. I play vain, dude. Like,
then,
come on,
I
dude.
think, yeah. Okay. So he kills him.
No.
And then once.
Like, come on, bro. I play vain, dude. Like, come on,
zoom
dude.
in.
I play.
And so basically that means the video is in 3 parts. It's non-zoomed, zoomed, and then non-zoomed again. Look for where it is. Yeah, so here you go. Yeah, I knew this is kind of throwing me off. Give me my small text back, please. Okay, that's nice. Alright, cool. So, alright, so basically, I guess I'll go through the code first. So, one of you smart people will be able to make your own Gloomshot, I guess. So basically, so this is my testing code, and then so, what this does is it does a very particular section, and how this plays in the larger scale of things is I have videos that are already processed, and what this will do is make the transitions between the videos. So basically, for those is, I guess I can show you a little bit. So any of these videos, you can see what's going on. I'm gonna slow it down to like half speed, and so let me go to a break. Oh, nope. All right, so when you watch this, oh, way too fast. Basically the transition, right? So then this is still one clip so far. And then now, as the transition is about to happen, that is its own clip. And after that finishes, then we go to the next one. And so what this does is it allows us to stitch together, like, the problem that I was trying to solve with this is I use this thing called MoviePie, and then whenever you do a transition, it actually takes a really fucking long time. And so my solution for this to make processing speeds a lot faster, because let me show you how much videos I process these days. Here you go, Lambda creation. So basically, yesterday I created 28 videos. If it doesn't create it, it'll try again later. But yeah, how do I filter out clips that are under Melee but aren't Melee related? Okay, so that is actually a different part of my program. So basically there's 2 main phases. I call it scan and create. Scan is basically you look for the clips and you and then you you do the initial processing. So the initial processing is looking at the chat, putting the chat on the video, putting all the doodads on it, right? Except for the transitions. And so, where are you? Let's see, create master, here we go, master slave. So what I do is, validate, oh, nope, valid. Let me see, what did I name it? It's been a long time since I actually looked at this because it seems to, it works okay. It doesn't work great because there's still category. images. Man, where did I get the validation? I guess you'll have to sit through me or bear with me looking through this code. So okay, I guess I can just go through the code with you since because I have to look through it anyways. So basically, I'll kick it off, and I'll put in a record. I'm using AWS Lambda. Okay, and so once it goes into function, once it's kicked off, I used to do some DynamoDB stuff, but now I don't look at DynamoDB at all. I only look at my if the file exists to make sure that it works. Let's see. Okay, so and then this is downloading the clip. Sometimes I used to have functionality downloaded from Reddit. I think it works, but I don't know. There you go, verification object. Verification. Let's see, verify clip. Category detection. All right, so basically I have like a master file of clips that are. Let's see, resources. Category documents. So I have a bunch of different things, and then melee. And then melee, and look for these numbers, and then something relatively similar, and then it'll do it. No, I'm not going to post this. So if you want to steal it, you gotta steal it live. And then so I have a function called find images in video, and then what this will do is it looks at several timestamps in the video and sees if the images are inside that video. And I also have like scaling where sometimes people's numbers are smaller, sometimes they're bigger, so that's 60 to 160. So it looks like for a pretty big range, or a relatively big range. No, I'm not going to post the code. Well, like I don't see people really understanding this spaghetti code that I've built up over 4 years, and I don't want to explain it. Oh, for the LinkedIn spammer, yeah, I can post that. I'll have a paste bin and I'll give it to you. Where are you? Let's see, LinkedIn spammer. I guess if that's the case, then I will comment a little better. Union keyword. What am I doing? Oops. Keyword. Then your username, your password. I think that's all that logs in. All right, and yep. Are you serious? All right, here we go. All right, where was I? Oh yeah, I was fixing my I didn't see the limit. On the spammer, you can actually just define it yourself. Here. Well, it's a little late for the pastebin, but the max send will the total of max things that you're going to send, and then how many you want to send per page. Yeah, you can figure it out. It seems relatively straightforward. You just gotta change max send and then send per page. Yep, I do. I kind of do that, Cinder guy. Basically, I have some. I just try to see if stuff is happening on the screen, and if it's just a person talking all the time, the whole clip, I just try to skip it. What if they're talking while playing? It doesn't use the talking for verification. Says I cannot, but put this. I'm sure this works properly, but I think I did it. Yeah, I did it here too. And I trust my more recent self than my past self. Actually, why don't I just? I'm not in a rush. I can afford to play around with the code a little bit. Let's see. So FFmpeg binary. Oops. Where am I? CRF 22, right? Oh shit. Haha. Oops. Great Hall. Whoopsies. My bad. Great Hall is my special stuff. With where I have like a bunch of I have a bunch of functions that I have to keep coding over and over again. I keep forgetting how to do them, so I just use this as a shortcut. So sorry about that. Let me get that to you. Drive a quick element. This is a useful function. I can't count the number of times where a website has tried to stop me from clicking something, and I just click it with JavaScript. I mean, it's not like a revolutionary thing, but oh yeah, no problem. I welcome the ideas or the questions. The screen will have stuff going on since there will be gameplay. Yeah. As long as, so basically I don't really care about what people are talking about. I only care that things are going on, like happening on the screen. Are you guys in school, Cinder guy? Or are you professional coders? Ooh, I do the SS after. Yeah, this is basically teaching FFmpeg, some random accessory class. It wouldn't be 101, but let's see. Forgot trim. Oh, seeking. That's what it's called. So basically, in this, what's happening is I found a line that I was using that I had to create, but I should have just been using my my handy dandy function. Oh, whoops! I need to give you the LinkedIn scraper. QNTBT9. There you go. Let me know if it works. If it doesn't work, let me know and we'll figure it out together. What year are you guys in university? Oh, there's some of that checking too. Ooh, I use a T instead of a 2. Yeah, I'll just make a crop federation with the SS in the front. Okay. Okay, then start, yes. Close that. How much money do I get from ad revenue? Like $500 a month. I'm rolling in it. And I actually don't get any from Gloomshot. Let me show you my. Yeah, baby, $0. It used to be. It used to give me stuff though. Yeah, but then they demonetize compilation channels. So basically, my plan right now is, eventually all the compilation channels are going to get demonetized, and they're either going to have to do it for the love, or because they hope that, or they have a different way of monetizing. And so I did it to not Peng Boys, Smasha. I remember a long time ago it was Peng Boys didn't publish as much, and it was Smasha G versus Gloomshot, and obviously Smasha G was more popular because it's better edited, better vetted, and then I just outlasted that person. So that's generally my play style too, though. Like, outlast the other person. I do a lot of trading hits in Smash. Why did they get demonetized? They're demonetized because compilation channels aren't, they're not, they violate some of the partner program rules. So. Ooh, what I can do is actually... yep, I also did F3 for that. Man. Maybe I'll do start this. That's strange, isn't it? I do. At least they did this. The reason for this scammer to exist is I need to start applying for jobs because I would like to well, my girlfriend is like, I think you should be looking for a job if you're not making this much money a month. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. And then so that date has passed, and so now I need to start looking for jobs. So I will spam people on LinkedIn until I get a job. I mean, if you look at LinkedIn, people are spamming. I mean, maybe you're not spamming people, but the recruiters definitely are spamming you. Yeah. So I'm just fighting fire with fire. I mean, I'm playing by the rules, you know, not the LinkedIn rules, but the rules of battle. There we go. Ooh. I actually like this better. The only thing is, it's... fuck it. Tight competition? Yeah. I mean, I'm no hacker, but, like, that's pretty much how Black Hat, White Hat works, right? It's like a competition always. Thanks, Nathaniel. how do I host Gloomshot? I would assume that it's a lot of processing power to render all those videos. It is. I'm glad you asked. It's actually very difficult to process, unless you want to spend a bunch of money and get like a really strong server. I still have to pay a good amount for the servers, but I have a main server, and then I use distributed processing. And distributed processing is, I mean, people talk about cloud computing and stuff, like, and half of them don't know what they're talking about. Like, they're just like, oh yeah, it's a new buzzword. But this is actually like cloud computing. Oop, what am I doing? Yeah, this is actual cloud computing, so AWS Lambda. So basically what happens with this is you have a very small piece of code that you can, let's see. So basically I have like a bunch of small pieces of code, and each of these are maximum of 250 megabytes. And so, let's see, last modified. So like, each of these, you can kind of specify, hey, whenever you kick this piece of code off, how much memory I'm going to give it, the timeouts. So if someone, so basically like, each of these processes one clip, and I can do like that hundreds and hundreds of times. Well, I do it hundreds and hundreds of times. And what happens is, it spits back what it made. So we can, I guess I'll do the melee one. Anyway. Alright, so basically once it finishes, it updates my database, and then I identify the clip, or this is just printing out like whenever something goes wrong. It's good to have, I mean, you got to find out why it happened, right? And then this is the first step in a relatively more clean way to do logs. I mean, like, HTML is a lot nicer to look at than just a raw text file. And so it kind of like tells me what happened. So like change the height from this to that, change the volume. I think this is like average and this is peak, and then this is how much multiplied the volume by, and how many people were chatting, and then how many I actually put in. And then top emotes, if people are using emotes, it tells me the count of like how many people. So how many people are using none. There's 2 people using none down, 3 people using roll, and then 2 people using none bond. And then I do this for record keeping to make sure that when I look at a clip, I know which what was process, like what process was using it, and then switch to FPS, and then what did it find. So this is like one of the bigger ones. If I see a bunch of ones that were like disqualified, like this, 19 out of 36, that's like way too much. So so I look at it, and then I go to like one of this. Oh, this one is the duration is too short. Oh, so a lot of these are duration is too short, and like, well, I guess it shows that I don't really look at these reports, but the minimum is 11 and the length is actually 7.1. So I think I should change that. Let's see, I can do that right now. Where? Let's see, duration, right? Nice. Min and max. Alright. Duration max. Clip. Duration object. target's duration. Okay. Duration. Okay, minimum. Alright, so basically I need to change my configuration, and then I'll be that should just do it. FPS, and then prep amendment maximum duration. Alright. Duration. Then duration would be 5. That's it. That's all I need to do, and that should solve it. Well, I guess it's pretty easy to solve, but since I did make it, but yeah, cool. All right. And then what was I? I was.
Suicide a month before I met you. Deep regrets, I never could forget you. Somehow you made your way to my decade. Ayo, 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 my girl. In the sun, I see you with your guard down. Number one, you're moving to a hard town. Do not dismiss the promise that you made me. Ayo, 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 my time. Overkill, you took another red pill. All the sheet is everything that you spilled. We are the ones you want to know right now. Ayo, 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 black light. Come again to murder your report card. Just a friend to kiss you in my courtyard.
You know what? I'm actually gonna do this. When, yeah.
Ayo, 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 big five. Save a song.
Hold on. I do have to slow some down. There you go.
Welcome to the party, it's a ball game. Pick up the stick, it's time to get hit with ayo, 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 my bad.
Alright, let me first change
Save you. When I cried, it was because I came to you. Are the one I want to know right now. Ayo, 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 ayo,
configuration. No. Ooh, I need to see the options. This is true. This is true. Yep. P starts with this. Ooh, re-encode crop. Re-encode crop. Default codec string. I put this as before. Oh shit. Alright. Let me do default codec string. That's not right. Oh man. Default codec string. I could probably just change default code string. I don't know about that. That's not too bad. Now, how do I want to do this crop encoding? Well, I want to CA copy other options. Alright, I'm just going to make the assumption that if I have, if not, C in other options. Okay. Would like to check it. Care about that. And it's right here. CA. Okay, cool. Let's try it. Oh, happened. That's fine. Oh no, what happened? Oh. Okay. I need to make re-encode. Okay. What? Ooh. What am I doing? Alright, there we go. Nice. Don't want me. Alright, let's use it here. Start TS and TS. And then we want the next. Then oh, wait, this is. Here we go. Oh no, it's not correct. That's it. Oh. Oh shit. Whew. There we go. And you know what? I'm just going to delete it. If it doesn't work, I can revert it. Which means I should probably commit my shit. I think this is it. Cool. this. Alright, crop 0. Let me see. Oh shit, it's frozen in the front. That's not good. What was that originally looking like? Wait, should have it already. Oh my gosh. I have no idea if that's working or not. But if it's not broken, don't fix it. So let's stage these. Let's try this again. This was crop fit. Alright. Yeah, see, this looks way better. What the fuck did I do wrong? See, it's stuck. I don't know why it's stuck. Why is it stuck? What did I do here? Hide banners here. What? I fucking did it. I don't get it. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's because I'm. Wait. No, man. I don't fucking get it, man. Let's see. Not this one, not this one. Alright. This. Dude, it's the same thing. Oh, I put this first. Does that actually make a difference? If it does, I wouldn't be surprised, and I will have learned something new. Wait a second. That's the right one. Huh? Huh? Are you serious? Wait, yeah. Oh my gosh, I think I'm on. This is the correct one, right? Okay. Yes. Why does it give me that? Yeah, what the fuck? What's the difference? I'm so confused. Oh wait, it's because I'm so stupid. Slow. Yep, it's right here. That's okay. There you go. Okay, that's so silly. So silly. I forgot to put this in. Okay. So it's slow seek and it's not slow seek. Cool. Oh. Oh, invalid duration specification. Oh, oops. There we go. Nice. Nice. There we go. Excuse me, never mind. Where? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Yes, there we go. I like it. Okay, cool. Properly. Nice. Put this in. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay, that's just me commenting stuff. Ooh, this is the zoom. Ooh, no more big params. Okay, that's fine. Okay, basic zooms. This actually touches it here, huh? Right. Let me commit this. Grid hall builder. So I'm adding and then crop vid duration. Slow seek. Basically, I wrote something to automatically push and install onto my server. That's all. So this should disappear. Yep, there you go. Let me go back to this. Yep. That's what we're working on. zoom is basic zooms. Yeah, alright. Basic zooms. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you look for more misses. Here. I don't need to do this one. Oh, I do. Here. Work on my zooming stuff. Oh yeah. Yes. Ah. Why? Okay. Ah. Haha. Oops. Yeah, Verb. I've tried stuff in the past, and the main ways I try to the main way I try to is look for like things that are specific to melee and things that are not, or things from Ultimate, and then search for Gloomshot or search for melee stuff and categorize it like that. But there's just too much overlap, and I can't get it to consistently work. And sure, Verb, what games do you think I should make Gloomshot for? My mic's pretty bad because I'm poor. Gloomshot, Smash 64, yeah. That'll be cool if people like played Smash 64. Like, do people do that? Other than like in big tournaments? It's not even. Of course, I'm so silly. People do. Oh yeah, so Verb, I actually have a FPS channel. I actually do have like a lot of different channels for different games, and so FPS is one of them. But it's not really taking off. So, and I've had it for a while. Yeah. I mean, I don't really like optimize the videos. No, it's ridiculously easy to make Gloomshot for other channels. I mean, I've done that already, so yes, yeah, you guys are on the right track. Good job. Yeah, if you have any suggestions, I'm pretty open to, and this is just kind of like fun coding time, I guess. Don't really expect to get anything done right now. Yeah, I know, the arrows, right? Oh man, yeah, so let me show you the arrow code. It's kind of funny. This maybe thumbnails here? No, I think I do. Alright, I need to look for where I make the thumbnails. Alright. Okay, let's see. It's not that. Is there like a default thumbnail? Fix text out of thumbnails? Okay, what do you mean by fix? Oh yeah, the music right now, I actually I got it from watching Gloomshot, because someone was playing it, and I was like, that song is pretty sick, and so I downloaded it. Yeah, I think it was Beast Roll MC, and he fucking killed it. It was awesome. Can I fix my parents' marriage? What kind of fix do you mean? Do you expect me to go talk to your parents? Like, well, how do you envision me trying to fix your parents' marriage? Sometimes the text is so big. Alright. This one kind of cuts off. I mean, what? Oh, do you mean it's not using all the letters, or? It's not using all the words for the title. Is that what you mean by cutoff, or? An automatic porn sorting tool using deep learning to identify cum shots. I'm like 80% sure that already exists. I'm pretty sure that exists on GitHub. Yep. I mean, look. Let's see. Is it this? Okay, maybe. Oh, here we go. Deep learning porn video. Yes. Miles deep, quickly classified. Wait. Yeah. So look, it works. Yeah. Gumshot Overwatch. I should totally start making porn compilations, dude. that's ripped from Not Safe for Work Reddit and upload to and then upload it to Pornhub. Dude, I should totally do that. I mean, I already have the functionality to download from Reddit. Yeah, pretty easy. Oh, and I can combine it with this, and it could be compilation. Like, I could sort the compilation, so it'd be like deep throat compilations, anal compositions. Oh, you guys are brilliant. I should tell. Yeah, dude, I have the capability of doing it if I wanted to. I wonder if that would actually Alright, that's pretty funny. Yeah, man, I wonder if Pornhub has an API. Dude, I don't fucking need an API though. I can just oh yeah. Oh, I could get this. Alright, I don't even have to upload it to only Pornhub. I can upload it to RedTube and Xvideos. The monetization of the channels is not enough to keep me alive. It's more of a hobby project, and it kind of pays for like the server costs that I do for other the compilation channels don't really make that much money. The only one that makes money is what's it called? Well, maybe I'll keep that a secret for now. But only one of my channels makes money right now, and it's not like the biggest one. So yeah, Verb. That's a great idea. I think you should make some pull requests to that machine that the repo I was just on. I'm sure that would actually push the technology forward. But yeah, estimated revenue. Like I don't make any money on these videos. Like last 90 days, last 360 bucks. Yeah. Yeah. It's too bad. Yeah. I got an email and it was a bad day for me because I got the same email for like 4 or 5 different channels. Well, not 4 or 5, 3 or 4. I wouldn't say most of my channels are like monetized. But yeah, that was a shitty day. Like, guess what? You basically make a third of what you usually make. Sorry. Why are clips freezing mid-video on Gloomshots? Okay, so you're talking about the Osu clips, right? And from what I remember, it was Emrek and sorry if I'm saying his wrong, if his name wrong, Mika and Emrek. And I remember both of them were starting to like slow down. I have fixed that. If you have like if the most recent video has something if the most recent video has something frozen, can you let me know? Because then I gotta take a look again. I don't know how to program, but I get a lot of friends saying I should when I suggest creative solutions like that. Yeah, you don't have to pay any money to learn how to code. Honestly, the best way to learn how to code is like, was it Euler's ladder? What is that? Coding ladder challenges. Don't do the. I mean, fuck. I forget what it was called, but there was something that you basically it's like print all the numbers from like 1 to 100, but only the 3s and 5s, and it had a bunch of challenges for that. And that just basically forces you to say, okay, how do I do a for loop? And in terms of like per 1,000 views, It depends on the category that the channel is classified in. So like, I know like big monetization categories are like the beauty, gaming. I think is okay. It's better than like the meme channel compilation. I think those are like really low. But like, what is this? Let me do like 2019. Alright, let me just. I need 2000. Here, let's do like. Oops. 3. So 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, and then. What am I doing wrong? 220. 185 divided 223. There we go. Around 82 cents for each view, I think. Or maybe I did the math wrong. Sorry. What's the channel views? Sure. I don't know if I can switch my account right now though. Yeah. I don't know if I can do that right now because here we go. Let me just log in. Here we go. Alright. Let's go to OSU. Let's go to analytics. And then let's go to 2020. So 4.6 million views so far in 2020. Yeah, I don't make money. I don't make money on these channels. And people, like, some people think I'm making cash bank, but nope. Oh, nice. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you ever have suggestions, just try to put it in the comments. And typically, I mean, I try to like read the uploaded ones, but it's hard to go through all the channels. Yeah. Because I can't make money because I am ineligible for monetization. It's okay. It's not a big deal. People are watching, man. It's cool. It's a good feeling. I'm happy that people are watching. It makes me feel good inside. It's my equivalent of Facebook likes. Yeah, I think you're going to get that for why am I ineligible? It does. Okay, well, this is it's because the monetization policies. One of them is like reused content. Yeah, basically, there's something you can't monetize. We'll find it. We'll find it. Here we go. This is what. Yep. It means. I mean, this is exactly Gloomshot. Yeah, and like even if you have permission, so. The saddest thing about this was when Awesome Sauce. I love that channel. His stuff recently is okay, but I mean, people like it, and it clearly is good content. But I liked his old stuff better. Yeah, it's very powerful to not be materialistic. I mean, there's like a lot of Chinese sayings that's like, or there's a lot of like just general sayings. My friend who's like super into business, he was like, wait, I don't think it was my brother. But anyways, I've heard in business, the person who cares less in a negotiation wins. So that's why like you should always, like, when you're trying to like barter with people, you should always be okay with walking away. And then shoot, my mom had like a Chinese one. It was something like, I don't remember, but basically, if you don't have like, if a person has no wants, you can't get him to do anything. What is this code for? I forgot what I was doing. Oh, I was finishing committing this, and I was making sure. Yeah, the montage thumbnail is pretty bad. I gotta do something better about that. And yeah, I need to concat this while I was doing. Okay. All right, concat call, and take a look at this. Wait, download. Third. Wait, where is it? Is that? What? It didn't make it? Oh, what's wrong? Yeah, thumbnails are definitely... they could be improved. I did make different ones before, right? Yeah, so you can kind of see like the evolution. There was this where I was like doing the... What do you guys think, actually? Did you guys like this thumbnail before? Or do you like the ones now, which are like more clickbaity because of the red arrow? Maybe I could even A/B test it, and half the time I use this and half the time I use that. Yeah, how do I run Gloomshot? I have it on a server, and I run it. I don't run it manually each night. I have a cron job that automatically goes or it clicks off the assorted processes. Yeah, this is how I make vids. I don't even have like video editing software. No Sony Vegas, no like. Although I probably should get some. Why didn't this make though? Log level fatal. Let's put error instead. Invalid argument. Huh? Yeah, identifying faces I've tried, but haven't. I don't think it's like that big of a deal. I think the content of the video would be better. Yeah, I do some Waj Talinka. I do sort by highest use first. That's generally how it goes. I do like a little bit small weights on like how the chat is acting, but generally it's the biggest factor is the views. Oh, Blue, what channels do you usually watch? Because I feel like I'm pretty upfront with saying that these videos are made automatically. It's impossible to open. Oh. What? Oh. Oh, if you watch the Melee one, like, I feel like even some people start memeing and go like, "Hey guys, I'm Joseph." Why isn't that so weird? Well, I could also try it on. What's up, Shoppy? Did we? Yeah, I don't handpick shit. You know, I started going to tournaments when Smash 4 was the most latest game, and basically everybody that I talked to in the Melee tournament, we would talk about how he got into Melee, and all of us had tried Brawl, and it was the cool thing to shit on Brawl. Yeah, well, there's no need to really hate on Ultimate. I think if it's a good game, then it'll survive when the next Smash game comes out. But it won't, because Melee is, but I think the only game to have survived its company trying to kill it. Well, to be fair, Nintendo's not very good at killing things. But like StarCraft was really big for a while, and when StarCraft 2 came out, Blizzard tried to kill and successfully killed Brood War. Like, some people still play Brood War, but it definitely like killed it. Even if they're not automatically generated, like, I don't think it's too, it's reused content. Why they're not monetized? It's not that they're automated. Yeah, it's totally a thing. Alright. Yeah, what the fuck are they? Oh, because it's fucking weird. What the hell? Oh. Okay, that's why. Wow, that's actually yikes. My main in Melee is Ice Climbers. Yeah. There's not that many Ice Climbers these days to watch. I used to like watching Fly Amanita. Now he had the sickest Ice Climbers. Axe has a fucking sick ass Ice Climbers too. I think right now, like, in terms of how sick Ice Climbers are, Axe. From, like, you haven't seen Ice Climbers play in forever, but the last time I remember seeing Ice Climbers play, yeah, it was Axe. And I saw him at a tournament once, and I asked him about it, and he was like, oh, he was really humble about it. He was like, oh yeah, it's nothing compared to Wobbles. Which is true. I mean, Wobbles definitely has, like, his, Wobbles definitely has his flair, and his Ice Climbers is sick, but I think Axe, like, Melee is all about movement, right? And then Axe has really, really nice, smooth movement. So, I feel like his Ice Climbers definitely move differently than Wobbles. Yeah, well, when you play friendlies, you shouldn't wobble. I mean, maybe you should wobble, like, if you want to wobble like a little bit, but I personally don't know how to wobble, so. Oh, you made Game & Watch. Game & Watch is sick too. I played one before and I got fucked up by down air, down tilt, because I kept thinking I could punish it, but yeah. How does his? Do you use his down air, down tilt? Oh, we got an rollback kid. Nice. You've never played Melee before that? Let's see. Nice. Yeah, with pin grab? Is it just like is it kind of like Mars where you just up throw them to death? No, it's not open source. Sorry. It's way too messy to be open source. Ooh. Ooh. Do you guys play a lot of Slippy? Probably want to join all of them except for the last one. Yep. Nice. Oh, music is a bit loud. Okay. Let me reduce it. Oh shit, I'm in Cali too. Temp name, are you asking me if I'm a college student or someone else? But I am not a college student. I'm much older than that. I am 30. impossible to open. Huh? Coding's going well. How much money I'm going from Gloomshot mainly videos? Do you mean up until now, or up lifetime, or this year? Because this year I've made 40% of a cent. That's how much I made. Yeah, you might be right. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, you're completely right. It's completely empty. That means this is wrong. Oh, it's because I fucking did it wrong. Okay. Good catch, man. Thank you, Saturn. Alright. So, crop duration, I need things like that. Oops. Melee is sick. I agree. There you go, nice. Now it should work. This is it, right? Yeah, sweet. Yeah, dude. Look how sick it would be if, basically, like, let's, you know how Nun does the thing where he like zooms up on his face after he does something cool? What if I automatically detected that, and when they did something cool, it zoomed in and then zoomed out again? Yep, Python. Oh yeah, pausing the stream definitely is, like, you don't need to listen to my voice while you guys play. Focus on the match, man. You're playing with a stranger. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm done with that. Zoom works properly. Alright. See ya, Shapey. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you, but honestly, you should support the people who actually stream. Just choose anybody who Gloomshot features and subscribe to them. Those are the people who you should definitely subscribe to. Oh yeah. What should I do next? Oh yeah, I need to automatically detect when something pops off. Let's see. How do I do a section of a screen? Does anybody know how to like edit this? Oh, hello, Silver. This is well, this is some code that automatically downloads a part and kind of makes transitions, and I'm seeing if I can make something that automatically does the automatic zoom in cam. So basically, it starts with off and then it zooms in, and then it zooms out again. And so since that's like kind of quality editing for like what some people do for like League videos and stuff, I'm trying to add that in. But yeah, let me try to. How do I crop this? Alright, well, goodbye. Oh, wait, okay. I'm probably going to stop the stream there because my friend is coming and I gotta start preparing. See ya. Thank you for watching. I don't know if I should do this more, but if some people find it different, cool. If not, then whatever. Alright. Thanks. See ya.